Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce you to neuralWrite and its first multi-agent. neuralWrite is my goal of creating the world's most intuitive text editor. And thanks to Google ADK hackathon, I was able to create my first ever multi-agent backend feature, Instant Dashboard. The goal of Instant Dashboard is to provide the user with real-time access to BigQuery data, which would be perfect for an analyst who needs to quickly gather information when writing reports. Let's say I'm writing a report to my boss today. As you can see, the BigQuery database is currently connected through sticker stales. And let's assume that we already have part of the email written. Now, we need some real data to back it up. So let's ask our agent who the current top performers are. Voila, we get a detailed response of the performers and charts. The agents just saved us from doing the most tedious part of writing a report. And we can paste this right into our text editor like this. Now let's dive deeper into the actual architecture. First, our user types their question in natural language. No SQL knowledge required. This query hits our root Instant Dashboard agent, which acts as an intelligent coordinator, analyzing the request and deciding how to route it through our multi-agent system. On the left track, the Query Planner agent breaks down the natural language into a structured plan, identifying which tables we need, what operations to perform, and how to optimize this query. And on the right track, the Chart Insight agent analyzes the question intent to determine what visualization types would best answer this type of question. Then, the Query Planner hands off to our BigQuery Runner agent, which converts the plan into the secure SQL, performs validation checks, and executes it against Google Cloud BigQuery. This returns our structured data, the top 3 stores with their sales number. Meanwhile, the Chart Generator agent receives inputs from both the Chart Insight recommendation and the actual data results, intelligently determining that a bar chart and a pie chart will perfectly visualize this ranking data. Now, finally, all output converges at our pipeline assembly stage, which combines the raw data, chart specification, execution metadata, and everything else into a comprehensive JSON response that you can see here. This is just an example. This complete package flow directly sends it to either the neuralWrite front end, which I have showed you previously, or the Instant Dashboard demo front end, which I can show you now. What you've just seen is natural language becoming actionable business intelligence in real time. No SQL writing, no manual chart creation, no complex setup. Just ask your question and get a complete dashboard. That's the power of Instant Dashboard's multi-agent architecture. Now, you can feel free to click out of the video, but I wanted to dive more in depth into the front end that I created for Instant Dashboard itself to kind of show exactly how it works. Let's ask the same question again. What are the top performers by sale? Now, as you can see, we found the result in 7.11 seconds, and we get some beautiful data visualization like this bar chart here and pie chart, which went through our Chart Insight generator for determining the best chart for these. Over here, you can see the generated SQL, which is very important as it allows actual data analysts to go through and double check their work. This kind of front end just kind of demonstrates the entire structure of the Instant Dashboard feature.